Here is lesson 39 for flute. We will play numbers 89 and 91. As always, you've looked through it, you're ready to go. You realize there's a repeat sign at the end of the first ending, and you repeat back to the reverse repeat sign, not all the way to the beginning. And then you play through, and then you'll skip the first ending and go to the second ending. So, let's play number 89. And a 1, ready. Did you notice that I changed dynamics? If you listen to how I played it, I would crescendo, I'd get louder for a couple of notes. Then I would decrescendo, I'd get quieter for a couple of notes. That's called musicianship. Okay? Yeah, we can play the whole thing forte the whole way through because that's kind of all it says. But we want to make it interesting. Music is not boring. If you are bored with a piece of music, I guarantee you are not playing it correctly. I guarantee it. Okay? So make sure that you are reading what's written and sometimes adding in your own little flair. Okay? Now, one thing about number 89 is that we can play this in what's called in 1. Okay? When we play a piece that's in 3/4, it's in 3. There are 3 beats per measure, so we play it in 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay? So that's in 3. When we do it in 1, we're only giving 1 beat per measure. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Basically, when we do it that way, we count it in 1 because it's a little bit too fast for us to tap 3 beats on a foot. Okay? We can do it, it's just at that speed it becomes more effort than it's worth. Okay? So if we did it in 1, we'd be about here. 1, 1. Okay? So that's something to think about. I want you to play through it and see if you can do it in 1. Okay? Moving on to number 91 for flutes only. While we're getting set for that, let me tell you about our code word. Our code word is waltz, W-A-L-T-Z. When you play something in 1, that's usually a waltz. Okay, a waltz is a dance. It is a quick dance, which is why we play music that's in 3/4 in 1, because it matches that speed. All right, going on to number 91 for flutes only. You should have already looked through this, and you should be ready to go. So let's play it. 1, 2, 1. Alright, did you make it through all 2 lines without stopping? Did you get your dynamic? Did you add your own dynamics? I didn't change dynamics that time. I just kind of picked a dynamic and ran with it. What you can do, you can make it more interesting. So that was going up, when I went up in pitch, I went up in volume. When I went down in pitch, I went down in volume. Or you can do crescendo measure, decrescendo measure. Or let's say we go up 2 measures, down 2 measures. It's up to you what you want to do with it, but do something. Make it interesting. Okay? That was lesson 39. Thanks for joining me.